life.
Right. Hey guys, I'm Prashansa, fashion blogger at Miss Malini, and today I am so excited because I am here with celebrity sari draper Miss Kalpana Shah and Jessica, she is going to show us how to uniquely drape two saris. That's right, two saris in one beautiful look. You know the festive season is on right now, and we're all looking for new ways to style it up. So let's just see how we can do it. Let's go.
First I'm taking.
So first she's going to be taking a net sari.
Yeah.
Okay. I think that's the point.
Yeah, so
Just
open it up.
Open it sari. Start from the back.
Start way back, guys. Tuck it in nicely, yeah.
Should we do one full round?
Yeah, do one full round. You know, Kalpana ji has been draping saris for more than 35 years now, guys. So there's a lot you get to learn today as she shows us this amazing way.
Now start the small pleats like lehenga.
Step 2 is what you can do is start pleating. How you normally pleat your pallu, you start at the side.
Separate
Pleats, and you start tucking it in to the front, and sort of kind of gives you like the feel of a lehenga. Yeah. Just to tell you guys, Kalpana ji, like I said before, she's been styling and draping saris for more than 35 years, and she knows more than 300 styles. Can you believe that? 300. I can't even think of 300 ways to wear a sari. And this is one of them. So excited to see how this turns out. As you can see, she's pleating it all through, all around. She started at the side, just putting in small pleats like this, as you can see, throughout. Kind of gives it like a little skirt feel.
Lehenga feel.
Yeah, like a lehenga. You guys can pick any kind of saris you want, but make sure it's a light sari. Here we are working with a net sari first, and we'll show you what the second sari will be in just a moment, so stay tuned. So yeah, that's almost done, as you can see. Looks beautiful. Yeah, there we go.
You can put the pin for your safety.
Important, very important. Don't forget to secure your sari.
Yes, everywhere you have to put the pin.
Everywhere you need to put the pin.
So the pleat
So with each
secure.
pleat you put a
With
pin?
Yeah,
each-
it secures, otherwise it comes out, no?
Okay.
We're super fortunate to have you here, ma'am, because FYI guys, Kalpana ji has also draped saris for people like Sonam
See, now you can
Kapoor,
see the lehenga look.
Aishwarya Rai,
Now,
Deepika Padukone. Wow, that looks
now I am taking the second
amazing.
sari, it's a georgette. First I will take shoulder pallu pleats, very small, like, and I have to set the pleats with my clips. This is a
sari clips. So guys, you take the second sari is a georgette one. She's taken the pallu bit first,
yeah.
and she's taken small pleats with it, and she's securing it with sari clips.
Sari clips.
And you do that throughout, ma'am?
Yeah, no, it's a approximate 3 or 2.5 meters.
About 2.5 to 3 meters. You keep these
Keep
pleats on,
pleating,
and
yeah.
you secure them with these side clips so that they do an opener. So as you can see guys, this is secured well with pins.
Yeah.
It's just simple pleats, how you would normally pleat your the front of your sari. This is just pleated just to turn around. Yeah, you can see everywhere. These are just the pleats that are done throughout, sort of gives it like a lehenga feel. So if you don't have a lehenga to wear this wedding season, don't worry, because we've got your back. Sari number 2 coming up.
Yes, now
Almost
the complete
done.
one is done.
Yeah.
Now first you have to put on the shoulder, that is on the right shoulder I'm putting.
Okay.
See now.
Drape it over the right shoulder.
Yeah, it is on the right shoulder, about on knee.
Mm-hmm.
Then you have to take the round. 1 minute. You're taking the
So
clip.
this goes over your right shoulder.
Yeah,
Keep it in place. Clip it
Yeah.
onto your blouse.
and turn it around your neck.
Twist it around your neck.
Neck.
It's very chic.
Yeah. Kind of gives the classic sari a
Yeah.
more modern feel, more contemporary feel.
Yeah. Now
Take the clips off once
I'm
that's
setting all pleats at the back, and now
Sure.
yeah, 1 minute.
just turn around. No?
Setting
now-
all pleats, and then I'm taking the pleat and taking the pleat and take out this remaining part, and from front I will do this small like a lehenga pleats.
So there you have it, guys. Once the pallu is over the shoulder, you twist it around your neck, take it at the back. So the 2 to 3 meters that you've pleated up remains over the neck and the shoulders, and you open it out at the back to create this half sari sort of feel in the front,
The pleat should be on equal distance.
just
So-
like the first sari, right?
Yeah, it should be in equal.
Just like the first sari, guys, the pleats should be the same amount of distance, the same amount of measurement that you've taken for the first sari that you've wrapped around. In case you guys are to drape a sari just like me, Kalpana ji has an app, yes, getting modern with the world, and now you can download that app to learn various ways on how to drape a sari. The app is literally called Learn Sari. You can get it anywhere.
iOS and
Yes,
Android.
iOS and Android. Okay, we're almost done. That looks gorgeous. Can you see how two different materials complement each other? Whoops. Okay.
I'm setting the pleats at the back.
Just turn around.
But
Yeah.
just
Turn around, yeah. She's setting the pleats at the back. As you can see, those 2 to 3 meters have opened up to create this gorgeous like fall this side.
and then I'm taking out my front these clips,
Taking out the front clips.
Done.
and then
Complete
it
the
is
look.
separate and pleating, setting the front pleats of the pallu.
Yeah, guys, how amazing does that look? Comment below and please tell us what you think of this look. In case you don't want to download the app, Kalpana ji also has a book called The Whole 9 Yards.
Coffee
where
table book.
It's a coffee table book
Yeah.
called The Whole 9 Yards, where you can learn different ways to drape a sari for different occasions.
I have
And-
given 8 styles where you can self-learn.
Yeah, it's very simple, self-learn. That's why, she's made it easy, so easy for all of us. And in case you want to learn from her, she also conducts like workshops, and she travels abroad to, drape saris for brides internationally. So get in touch. And there we have it. That's how you can drape 2 saris in one. As you can see, first we've used a net sari. She pleated it all around simply, just a straight turn, yeah. And she took the second sari over the neck, over the shoulder, around the neck, and she created this beautiful, like half lehenga sort of feel to it. And I absolutely love it. Comment below, guys, and tell us what you think.